Imagine a world where a small, consistent action today could transform your financial future into something truly extraordinary. What if I told you that with just $10 a day, you could be on your way to becoming a millionaire? It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But it's not. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a powerful, proven strategy accessible to everyone, especially young adults, beginner investors, millennials, and Gen Z. We're talking about turning a modest daily habit into a monumental financial legacy. That $10 you might spend on a coffee, a snack, or a streaming subscription could instead be the cornerstone of your wealth-building journey. This isn't about deprivation. It's about smart choices and understanding the incredible potential of consistent investment. This video will lay out a clear, actionable plan to show you exactly how $10 a day can lead to $1 million or more. We'll demystify investing, making it simple, exciting, and entirely within your reach. Get ready to unlock the secret to long-term wealth creation starting right now. So how does this magic happen? It all begins with consistency. The core of this plan is committing to invest just $10 every single day. That might seem like a small amount, but its power lies in its regularity and the incredible force of compounding. $10 a day adds up to approximately $300 each month. This monthly contribution is your fuel for wealth accumulation. Instead of letting that money sit idle, we're going to put it to work for you, day in and day out. This isn't about timing the market or picking individual stocks. It's about a steady, disciplined approach. The key to this strategy is choosing the right investment vehicle. For beginners, and indeed for seasoned investors, an index fund is an excellent choice. Specifically, we'll focus on an S&P 500 exchange-traded fund, or ETF. An S&P 500 ETF holds a basket of stocks from the 500 largest U.S. companies, giving you instant diversification across major industries. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of about 10% over the long term. This isn't a guarantee, as market performance can vary, but it's a robust historical benchmark that forms the basis of our projections. By investing in an S&P 500 ETF, you are essentially investing in the growth of the American economy itself. It's a simple, low-cost way to participate in the market without needing to become a stock-picking expert. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, what these consistent $10 daily investments can actually grow into over time. This is where the magic of compounding truly shines, transforming small contributions into substantial wealth. Let's project your financial future with that average 10% annual return. If you consistently invest $10 a day or $300 a month for 30 years, your initial contributions will grow significantly. After 3 decades, your investment could be worth over $660,000. Think about that. A daily habit leading to a life-changing sum. But the real power of this plan unfolds when you extend your time horizon. If you continue this disciplined approach for 40 years, the numbers become even more astonishing. After 4 decades, your initial $10 daily investments could blossom into more than $1.5 million. That's right, a millionaire, all from a consistent, manageable daily investment. These projections highlight a crucial element of successful investing: time. The longer your money has to grow, the more powerful compounding becomes. Patience isn't just a virtue in investing, it's a fundamental driver of wealth. Starting early, even with small amounts, gives your money the maximum opportunity to multiply. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building lasting wealth steadily and surely. You're probably wondering, how do I actually start? The good news is that implementing this plan is straightforward and accessible. You don't need to be a financial wizard or have a massive amount of capital to begin. The first step is to open a brokerage account. This is simply an account with a financial institution that allows you to buy and sell investments, like ETFs. Many reputable online brokerages offer user-friendly platforms and often have no minimum deposit requirements to get started. Do some research to find one that suits your needs, looking for low fees and a good reputation. Once your account is set up, the next step is to choose a low-cost S&P 500 ETF. There are several excellent options available, typically identified by ticker symbols like SPY, IVV, or VOO. These ETFs are designed to track the performance of the S&P 500 index, and they generally have very low expense ratios, meaning more of your money stays invested and working for you. The most critical step for consistency and success is to automate your deposits. Set up an automatic transfer of $300 from your bank account to your brokerage account each month. This removes the need for daily manual transfers and ensures you stay on track with your investment plan. Automation is your secret weapon against procrastination and inconsistency. It makes investing a habit, not a chore. At the heart of this entire strategy, the engine that drives your $10 a day to $1 million is the principle of compounding. Often called the eighth wonder of the world, compounding is simply money earning money, which then earns even more money. It's a snowball effect that gains momentum over time. Here's how it works. When you invest, your initial capital earns a return. Instead of taking that return out, you reinvest it. Now your original investment plus the earnings from that investment start earning returns. This cycle repeats, causing your wealth to grow exponentially. Each dollar you invest and each dollar it earns becomes a new worker in your financial factory. Think of it like this. You plant a small seed and it grows into a plant that produces more seeds. You then plant those new seeds and they too grow and produce even more seeds. Over time, you have an entire garden far larger than what you could have achieved by just planting one seed repeatedly. That's compounding in action. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work its magic. Even small amounts, given enough time, can grow into substantial sums. This is why the $10 a day plan is so powerful for young adults. You have the most valuable asset on your side, time. Let compounding be your most diligent employee, working tirelessly to build your wealth. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when the market goes down or when you feel tempted to stop investing. It's crucial to understand that market fluctuations are normal. Historically, the market has always recovered and continued its upward trend over the long term. Stay disciplined, stick to your automated plan, and resist the urge to panic sell during downturns. These periods can actually be opportunities to buy more at lower prices. Life happens, and there might be months when $300 feels like a stretch. The beauty of this plan is its flexibility. If you can only invest $200 one month, that's perfectly fine. The goal is consistency over perfection. The most important thing is to keep going, even if you have to adjust your contribution temporarily. Every dollar invested is a step forward. Remember your why. Why are you investing? Is it for a comfortable retirement, a down payment on a home, financial independence, or to leave a legacy? Keeping your long-term goals in mind will provide the motivation you need to stay on track. Visualize your future self, living comfortably because of the smart choices you're making today. This journey is about empowering yourself. It's about taking control of your financial destiny and building a future where you have choices and security. You are capable of achieving this. The path is clear, the tools are available, and the potential rewards are immense. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. This $10 a day plan is an incredible starting point, but your financial education doesn't have to stop here. As you become more comfortable with investing, you might want to explore other avenues for wealth building. Understanding different investment types, asset allocation, and risk management can further enhance your financial journey. Consider learning about other types of index funds, bonds, or even real estate as you progress. Diversifying your portfolio beyond just the S&P 500 can be a smart move as your wealth grows. However, always remember to do your research and understand any investment before committing your money. Knowledge is power in the world of finance. Another powerful concept to explore is passive income. Once your investments grow, the dividends and capital gains they generate can start to provide a stream of income without you actively working for it. This is the ultimate goal for many investors, having your money work for you, creating financial freedom. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. This $10 a day strategy is your foundation, your first step towards a lifetime of financial growth. It proves that you don't need to be wealthy to start investing. You just need to start. You've learned the power of the $10 a day plan and how it can lead to millionaire status. Now, you might be wondering about fees. Are there ways to invest without those pesky charges eating into your returns? Absolutely. In our next video, we'll dive deep into how you can implement this exact $10 a day strategy with virtually zero fees. We'll explore specific brokerage options, account types, and investment vehicles that minimize costs, ensuring that every dollar you invest works as hard as possible for you. Understanding how to avoid unnecessary fees is another critical component of maximizing your investment returns. Every percentage point saved in fees is another percentage point added to your wealth over the long term. So, if you're ready to take your investing game to the next level and keep more of your hard-earned money, you won't want to miss it. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and actionable strategies to build your wealth. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, and with consistent effort and smart choices, you can achieve incredible things. Start your $10 a day journey today, and let's build that $1 million future together.